The aim of the project is to implement the automation through wireless monitoring and governing of industrial equipment using LabVIEW software by SCADA technology. To sense the status of the equipment, PIC microcontroller is used. The major components used in the project are PIC microcontroller 16F877, load, PMDC motor, induction heater, submersible pump, 4 driver circuits, 2 transceivers, interface with LabVIEW. This is the prototype model of the project. This project is the solution for industrial problems such as overload, varying speed of the conveyor motors, imbalance in furnace temperature, improper maintenance of water level in tank for boiler. Here we are going to monitor 4 parameters: the load, speed of the conveyor motors, temperature in the induction furnace, and operation of the submersible pump for water level. In this prototype model, incandescent lamps are used in place of industrial loads. In order to avoid running of unnecessary loads and to reduce power consumption, the required load is specified in terms of amperes. Here each lamp requires 0.2 amps of current. Here PMDC motor is used instead of conveyor motors. In industry, conveyor motor should run at constant speed. If any load accidentally falls from the conveyor belt, the speed of the motor will increase and this leads to mismatching of the speed. A small induction heater is used in the prototype instead of furnace. In industries, temperature of the furnace has to be maintained at desired level for proper melting process. Moreover, the temperature of the furnace varies accordingly to the metals under process. Hence, the temperature is specified is varied accordingly. The temperature of the induction heater is monitored here. The water level of the tank to the boiler is monitored here. When the tank is drained to empty, the pump pumps the water automatically to the overhead tank. After reaching the specified level, the pump switches off automatically. To control all the 4 parameters, PIC microcontroller 16F877 is used. It is interfaced with the LabVIEW to monitor the parameter. The data from the microcontroller is transferred to LabVIEW through ZigBee technology. In this technology, 2 transceivers are used for communication between LabVIEW and microcontroller. The transceiver on the control side is connected to the CPU through RS-232 cable. The transceiver on the operating station is connected to the microcontroller. The operation of every equipment is controlled by individual driver circuit. The front panel is run continuously. RS-232 enable, control enable. These are the specifications: minimum voltage, maximum voltage, maximum set current for load in terms of amps, set speed for motor, maximum level of tank in liters, and maximum temperature in centigrade. These are the status of every parameter. These are the current values of various parameters. These are the visual indications of the temperature of furnace and level of water in the tank. The first parameter to be monitored is load, minimum voltage, maximum set current are specified. We know that each and every equipment should run between the certain level of voltage and should not go beyond the rated current. In order to avoid problems such as low voltage and high voltage problems and short circuit faults, etc., the present value of the voltage given to the load is 210 and current is 0. As the condition is true, the PIC controller will switch on the load. The load is on. Now moving to equipment section, the bulb consumes 0.2 amps current. These loads are sensed through current transformer and potential transformer and sends the corresponding value to microcontroller. Now I am going to adjust the voltage value. I am going to decrease the voltage to 119 volts. the load gets switched off. Now I'm going to bring it beyond 180 volts. Hence the load is on. Now by providing over voltage above 260 volts, the load switches off. The speed of the motor is set in the front panel. The current speed of the motor is measured using the speed sensor MOC7811. The motor speed is set as 2000 rpm. Now the current speed is measured as 1020 rpm. The motor speed is controlled by applying load. The motor continues to run within the rpm limit. Now the load is released and the motor is allowed to run at full speed. Now the motor exceeds the speed limit and hence the motor turns off. The next parameter is induction heater. Here, instead of furnace, induction heater is used. To measure the current temperature of the induction heater, thermistor LM35 is used. The maximum temperature to be maintained in the furnace is set as 70 degrees Celsius. The current temperature is measured, and if this value is less than the set value, the heater turns on. When the current value of the temperature is more than the set value, heater turns off. The next parameter is water tank level. The level of water in the tank is measured using a float connected to a potentiometer. When the tank is empty, the submersible pump pumps the water automatically to the overhead tank. When the water level reaches maximum, the pump turns off automatically. As you see, this is the overall working of our project prototype. Here 70 millisecond delay is provided to the microcontroller for sensing the values from every equipment, and this acquiring signal happens in a sequential order. This project is very useful and industry oriented as it eliminates the barriers and difficulties faced by the industry in manufacturing process. Since LabVIEW has excellent acquisition and processing with high accuracy, more equipment can be implemented in addition to these parameters and can be implemented in real time for industries. Thank you for watching the video.